In this video, we introduce the Odoo Power BI Connector, seamlessly linking Odoo with Power BI Desktop to create insightful ERP reports. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, we need to create a workspace. Go to Workspace and click New to create a new workspace. Enter the name and add the responsible users. Then click Save Manually. Once the workspace is created, we will create a dataset inside it. Click on Dataset, then click New. Enter the dataset name. I'm entering Sales Dataset. Here, select the dataset type. I'm selecting Import here. In Web Auth type, there are two ways to import a dataset into Power BI, and we will explore both methods. The first method is using a web token. Select Web Token and click Save Manually. Once saved, a web URL will be generated. Now we need to generate a web token. Click on Generate New, and the web token will be generated. Now we need to create tables inside the dataset. For that, click on New and enter the table name. I'm entering Sales Table. Select the model, and I'm selecting Sales Order. Some columns are already selected. You can select more columns as needed. Select Next Activity, then click Save and Close. Now save the table. Go back to your workspace and click Publish to publish the workspace. Then click the OK button. As you can see, the workspace is published successfully. Now go to the dataset and click Set Published to publish it. After it is published, copy the URL. Now open Power BI Desktop. Click on Get Data, search for Web, and click Connect. Paste the copied URL here, then click OK. Now the connection with Power BI Desktop is successfully created, and here you can select the tables. Once the data is selected, click Save. Enter the name and click Save. As you can see, the sales table is now saved in Power BI Desktop. The sales table is loaded successfully. Select the sales table, and here you can see the data. Click on Load, and the data will be loaded successfully. Here you can also see the sales table. Now we will explore the second method. Go to your Odoo end and select API Key, then save it. To generate the API key, go to your profile, click on My Preferences, then open the Security tab. Here, create a new API key. Enter your password, and the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key and click Done. Now go to your Power BI end. Go back to the Home menu and click on Get Data. Search for Web and click on it. Here, select the Advanced option, which allows you to use the API key. Now enter all the required details here. Here, enter the URL and then enter your API key. Click OK. The connection will be established, and you will see that the sales table is visible. Select it and click Load. The sales table is loading, and the data has been imported using both methods. Here you can see the data that we just imported from Odoo. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.